This tutorial, I'm going to introduce to you on how you can get started with AI, or how you can use your Android smartphone to ask or to access AI. And for this, we are going to interact with AI chatbot and ask questions. Now, my name is Isaac, and this is A Minute with AI. And I'll kindly request that if you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. Now, the first thing you need to know is that your Android smartphone has already an AI ability built in it when you purchased it. And this is more so if you have ever connected or updated your phone, then it should have the ability to access and chat with AI with ease. Now, you don't have to do anything. All you need to do is to press down here. And then when you press here, you will see we shall have this a pop-up screen where now you can start asking questions. You can type here any question, and then you will be able to get answers. Now, for this, we shall be using Gemini, which is a Google generative AI services. So we can proceed and ask. Just type any question from here, and we shall be asking a set of questions, and then we shall see responses from it. As you can see, ask Gemini. So go ahead and ask any question. For instance, I'll ask, who is Jesus? And then this will go ahead and make searches and then give us responses. And as you can see, here is a well-detailed response that you can read on who Jesus is according to AI. And as you can see, it has given detailed information on the subject that I've just asked. Should you want to open this page so that it covers the whole screen, you can just tap on this arrow here, this sign. If we tap on it, it will go ahead and take us to Gemini. And now you can see your detailed response here from Google Gemini. Now, there are quite a number of things you can do from here. One, you can go ahead and ask another question. It will still go ahead and give you a response. Alternatively, if you want to copy this response that you have just received, you can just tap on copy. This is the copy function here. If you tap on it, you will copy it, and now you can paste it elsewhere. For instance, you can even go ahead and paste this on WhatsApp. So let me just try it out and see. I can now paste it here just like that, and if I send it, you can see this is a detailed response on the question that I had asked. Should you want again to go to Gemini, if you got out, you can still repeat the same. You can just long press on the home button here, and it will still take you to Google Gemini. But if you want to see your previous response, you can just go ahead and tap on Assistant. This is a Google app. If you tap on it, you can see we are told you are currently using Gemini. So if you go ahead and open, you will be able to see your account. And from here, if you tap on this icon on the top left corner here, you'll be able to see your last chat with Google Gemini, and you can see mine is here. So if I go ahead and tap on it, it will go ahead and open my chat. Should you want to clear this and start a new conversation, you can as well just go ahead and ask it here, and then type in what you want to ask, and you'll get your response. On the other hand, apart from just chatting with this AI, you can as well share your screen so that you get any assistance. To do that, you can just long press here again on the home button, and then this time around, choose this option called Share Screen with Live. If you tap on it, now this will go ahead and give you a pop-up window where you have to confirm you want to share your screen. Now, this will enable you to cast or record your screen with Gemini AI. So if I tap on Start Now, I can now ask any question, then I'll get a response. So that's how you can start using AI on your Android smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video. Bye bye for now.